Hi everyone. So if you are a Silva graduate or if you have started practicing meditation, visualizations and the Silva Method techniques, you must have heard one term, that is mental screen. And we keep on getting lots of questions regarding this, especially from those who have just started their journey. So, hi everybody, myself Debalina Chatterjee, a certified Silva Method instructor. And in this video, let's understand the importance of this mental screen and importance of visualization in very simple way. So watch the video till the end as we will do a very short and simple meditation with a practical application of the mental screen. So let's begin. So to begin with, let's dive into a research story that unlocks a hidden superpower that is there within your mind. A superpower that can rewire your brain, reshape your habits, and reimagine your reality without even lifting a finger. So the story comes from our psychologist, Alan Richardson, and it begins in an ordinary high school gym. In this high school gym, a group of students were tested on their basketball free throw accuracy. So they were then split into two groups, both with equal skills at the starting. Okay, so group 1 practiced every day, physically shooting hoops in the gym, and they showed up, they trained hard, and they repeated the motion again and again. Okay, the way people used to practice. And group 2, they never touched a basketball for this period. They never entered the gym, they didn't sweat, they didn't run the drills. Instead, what they have done, they just closed their eyes and they visualized. They visualize the perfect throws, the smooth release from their fingertips and the elegant arc through the air and the soft, satisfying swish through the net. No noise, no bounce, no miss. And while visualizing, they visualized it with a true feeling as if they are playing and actually practicing. They just visualized only perfection again and again and again. And 2 weeks later, both the groups were tested again. And then the jaw-dropping moment. Both groups improved by nearly the same amount. So group 1 has been increased by 24% and group 2 by approx 23%, nearly same. The group that have never touched a ball improved almost as much as the group that trained physically. Why? Because to the subconscious mind, because of imagination, visualization, and the power of your mind. The brain doesn't care if you do it or, just rehearse it vividly through visualization. It simply responds to repetition, to intention, and to emotion-rich mental images. This is the foundation of mental rehearsal, and that's why it's very important to get a mental screen where you can rehearse something. This is how champions train, not just in the gym, but in invisible dimension of the mind. You can try it right now. Pause the video and grab a small paper ball. You can take a paper, make a ball of it, okay? Then toss it into a bin. See how often you miss. Try 1 or 2 times. Then stop and close your eyes and now visualize the perfect throw. Just see it that it glides through the air, hear the swish of it and feel the wind. Feel that the perfect throw to the beat. Okay, just visualize it 2 to 3 times for next 1 or 2 days and then again try it. Then again throw the paper ball to this bin and see the results. Chances are you will improve because the mind listens to your images. Now imagine applying this to your life, not to baskets, but to big, beautiful goals. In the Silva Method, we use this principle to unlock something even deeper. We use it to reprogram our old habits, to heal emotional wounds, to grow into a person you were always meant to be, to use mental screen to manifest a life that you truly desire. So let's understand the purpose of mental screen in much easier way. In the physical world, if you want to work on something, you need a surface, maybe a piece of paper, a whiteboard, or a laptop screen, right? But in the subjective dimension, when you are doing some mental work using your mind, in the inner world, your mental screen will become the workplace. It is your canvas for creation. The mental screen is an internal projection field, and it's located about 20 degrees above the line of your eyesight with your eyes closed. So you can use it to visualize what you already know and to imagine what you want to bring into existence. So if you have seen it before, you can visualize it. Now, if the thing is completely new, you can imagine it. This is the basic difference between imagination and visualization. Now, if you want to transform something that you know and you visualize continuously, then you imagine a better version of what you visualize. That means creating something new or seeing something new in the mental screen is what we call imagination. And recalling something that you already know, that you already heard, or that you have seen before is visualization. This is a mental technology, and this is one of the very first steps of psycho-orientology. And this is how thoughts become things, because everything that you see in the physical world existed first in the spiritual world as an idea, as a spark, or as a vision. So if you see my pleasure, it has been imagined or created first in the mental screen, maybe in the mind, invisible mental screen. Somebody designed it, right? Planned it, how they can design it, and they have then done the physical level work. Everything, whatever we do, works in the same way. So to change anything out here in this physical world, you must first shift it in here, in your mind. So let's say you want a job. Then just don't visualize the job listing or you're going for the interview or even the offer letter, because these are the steps. Instead of that, what you can project is the final screen. That is, see yourself already doing that work, the work that you love, that work that you manifested, you are feeling proud of it, you're feeling fulfilled, and you're feeling so alive out of it. So that is your true goal. That is the image that your mind needs right now. Your subconscious will handle the steps to get you there. And here is something important. This tool, the mental screen, cannot be used to harm anybody, because mental energy is not aggressive. It doesn't push, it just pulls something to you. It aligns you with the highest blueprint of creation, the one that already exists in the spiritual dimension. And that blueprint, it's always positive. It's always healing and always guiding you towards your growth. So when you close your eyes tonight, don't just rest. Create something. Create a new version of yourself. Use your mental screen, project your next level, your next chapter, your next reality. And then let your mind do the magic, because it will do. It always does. And now you are going to experience it being conscious. You are going to use it being conscious. So let's experience the magic of mental screen together. Please find a quiet space. You can sit or lie down comfortably. And then gently take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Close your beautiful eyes. Now with your eyes closed, just focus on my voice, on my commands, on my instructions. You are now going to experience the power of mental screen. So we are now going to guide you into your alpha level of the mind. The alpha level is the optimal state for mental programming. So take a deep breath in And as you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize number 3 times. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize number 2 3 times. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 1 3 times. You are now at level 1, the basic playing level of your mind. I will now count from 10 to 1. And with each descending number, you will go deeper and deeper. And at the count of 1, you will reach into a calm, relaxed, and powerful state of mind. Let's begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are now at a deeper and healthier level of the mind. Now take a moment to recall a peaceful scene. Just imagine that you are sitting in a beach. It's a night time. You can see the vast ocean in front of you. Feel the gentle breeze. Now hold the image gently in your mind. You can recall a memory last time when you visited beach area and you sat in front of a beach. How you're feeling at that moment. Just recall that vibe. Now hold it gently in your mind. Take a deep breath. Relax and go deeper. Now with your eyes still closed, gently tilt your gaze upward about 20 degrees. Your eyes are closed. You are just tilting your eyeballs to about 20 degrees. It's not mandatory that you need to raise the eyeballs exactly at 20 degrees. Just feel that it's 20 degrees. This is the position of your mental screen. The mental screen is not your eyelids. It's not your imagination. It's your inner canvas, a space where creation begins. So the position of the mental screen will be outside of your eyes, but within 6 feet area. So just imagine that exactly outside your eyelids, a big giant screen, the way you have seen in a movie theater. This is your mental screen, a space where creation begins. Now project something beautiful onto it. Maybe a goal, maybe a healing, maybe a dream that you wish to make real. Now see it in colors. See it in motion with emotion, as if you are watching a movie that has been created and directed by you. Now believe that it is already happening. I'll stop talking now, and now it's your time to enjoy your movie. While seeing it as if you are actually living there. This is the power of focused thought. And every time you function at this level of the mind, You gain clarity, power, peace. You can use this for yourself, for your loved ones, and for anyone who needs help. You will never use this to harm. You will use it only to heal, to create, and only for what is good, honest, clean, and positive. In a moment, I'll now count from 1 to 5. When I'll reach the count of 5, you'll open your eyes, you'll feel fine, you'll feel focused and energized. 1, 2, you are slowly coming out. 3, 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling fine, feeling in a perfect health, feeling better than before. So let me know how you're feeling after this meditation in the comment section. So the mental screen is not just a technique. It's a portal to your inner power. You can use it randomly for anything. Just live with it and watch your life begin to shape from the inside out. Now, to go deeper in meditation or to learn Silva Method techniques, now to go deeper in meditation, or if you are watching it for the very first time and you feel connected with it, to know more about the Silva techniques, you can visit the silvabydebalina.com. And remember that your imagination is not fantasy. It's a focus, so use it wisely. Keep smiling, keep meditating, stay healthy, better and better.